guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I easily reached already like level 21 of the Baddie Pass in Dress to Impress. So here are my tips and tricks for you. Super easy to do. You are going to have to do the daily tasks because you'll get more XPs doing the daily tasks. As you can see, you'll get 150 XP per task, and there's 3, so you'll get 450 XP. Now, if you look at the Baddie Pass, you'll need around like 4,000 XPs per like level that you go up to. Like the higher it's like the level is, the like more XP you'll need. So yeah, please just do the daily task. It actually hasn't been like 2 weeks, I think, and I'm already on level 21, and I still have 48 days to complete it. So I need like 9 levels left. I know it's like the XPs, I still need a lot, but you'll need to do the daily tasks. Next is you will have to use a farming server. I know not a lot of people are a fan of that, but you know, it's just very hard to play like 30 rounds. Like, I don't have the time for that. I have work and stuff. So what I do is I do use a farming server on Discord. So if you go to Dress to Impress's Discord, you'll find like farming servers, and then I just use like an auto clicker to vote everybody 5 stars. It's just simple. When I'm like AFK, I can just do that. Make sure you're wearing an item though, or else you won't go to the runway. I think that's how it works now. And I just basically leave my PC and I just like play on my phone for a bit, and I think that's very like helpful in terms of really getting your XP. But yeah, those are pretty much just the few advice that I have. If you have the money, I guess you can just like skip using Robux, but each of them is like 200 Robux, and I don't think it's worth it. Anyways, like I still have like 48 days. I still have time for 9 more levels. That is not that bad. Like, I'm past the halfway point. I'm like almost there. So those are my tips for completing the Baddie Pass. I know a lot of people are like annoyed about the like duo tasks and the daily tasks, but honestly, just find somebody in like a random server. I'm sure they'll have the same task as you and are willing to help. So yeah, just keep that in mind. That is how you can kind of easily level. I won't say it's easy, okay? It's been like excruciating at least, but these are just the tips that I have, so it's easier to I guess, what am I saying? Level up on the Baddie Pass. There we go. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.